What's good, gang? So today we're going to talk about another custom GPT that I made. This one is to query PostgreSQL databases. Um, you can get these on Vercel, from Supabase, from any other provider. PostgreSQL is a very common database for building applications. Last time we spoke about Firebase querying. This one's very similar, with the addition of the ability to save your database credentials to a private database as well. And so you can set your own API key for this to be very secure and only work for you and save all of your projects and their database credentials. So I've already set up a couple because I have a bunch of side projects. And so I can say something, for example, like show me the DB schema for my project by my repo. So Buy My Repo was a project that I made, very simple, who uses Stripe. And once a user actually pays, it'll invite them to my private repo. So very easy to facilitate selling my code. Uh, what this is going to do is going to go find the connection string based on this project name and then query it to tell me exactly what the schema looks like, the architecture for this database. And this is really useful for something like migrations if you want to change this. This is also really good for giving ChatGPT context of your database. After this finish going through all of the different fields that I have, we can go ahead and actually start using natural language to answer some of our questions. For example, how many users do I have? How much have I made this month? How many people are using the product, or things like this? Anything that you save in your database. So while this loads, I can go ahead and ask something like list my users in a table with their name, profile, photo, and email. Now imagine this. Now I can get a list of emails and just send blast emails. Like the use for this is just you know. Imagine you had another GPT that is an emailer and you can just do everything in chat. But anyways, you can see it's really working. So like it fetched my DB. Let's go ahead and listing all of the users that I have in here. Pretty cool. I have their emails, and yeah. So to talk a little bit about how this works, you can go to Vercel, go ahead, copy snippet, and say something like um, add a new project called support app, and then I'm just going to paste the database details. And now you can see that it'll ask me if I want to confirm saving this to my database. Once I hit confirm, it should say successfully saved. And now we're able to start querying this. So if you want to build this yourself, I'll link to the code in the description. But clone this repo, deploy it to Vercel, and then copy this set of actions over to ChatGPT. It's 4 endpoints, and you can set your own API key. So in order for this to be safe and secure, you can go ahead, create your own API key, give it a ChatGPT, and you'll be able to do exactly what I just did. So I hope you enjoyed this demo, and give it a star and a like, and let me know what you think. Thanks.